Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to MyFoodCart. Today I am sharing a yummy recipe of baking banana bread. Everyone in my family loved it and I am pretty sure you will also admire this recipe, inshallah. So let me tell you what we need to make it. Unbleached all-purpose flour 2 cups, 3 mashed bananas, large eggs 2, sugar 3/4 cup, melted butter 6 tablespoons. When it comes to room temperature, then use it. Salt half teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, vanilla essence 2 teaspoons. Buttermilk 1/4 cup. So let's start making yummy banana bread with Bismillah. Preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. In flour add sugar, baking soda, salt. Mix them with a whisk for 30 seconds. Then take another bowl and add mashed bananas. Also add 2 eggs. Mix them for 30 seconds. Now add buttermilk. And melted butter. Mix them, then add vanilla essence. It is time to add flour mixture. Add it and mix. Repeat this process until batter is formed, inshallah. A thick batter is formed to make banana bread, and this is 10-inch baking rectangle pan I am showing you. I brush some oil and dust flour in it and then place a piece of parchment in it. So let's pour batter in it with Bismillah. Oven is preheated. Now we will bake our banana bread for 45 minutes. You can spread walnut over it if you like. It is ready to bake. So let's bake our banana bread with Bismillah. It is baked beautifully, mashallah, in 45 minutes. Let's make slices of it, then enjoy it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very tasty banana bread is ready. Enjoy it with a scoop of ice cream in hot summer. Also share recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MyFoodCart. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Allah Hafiz.